Tell mommy what that is.
Chico.
Twinkle? Twinkle. All right. What's that?
Go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Square? Okay. Put it down. Put the square down. Oh, look. What's this?
Owl.
Huh?
Owl.
Oval?
Yeah.
Where the oval at?
Right there?
Oval?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this one?
Yeah.
What's that?
Chico.
Rectangle. Very good. Here, take it. What's this?
Chico.
What's that?
Chico.
Okay. What's this?
Tango.
Triangle? Good.
Hot.
Heart. Very good. What's this one?
Dummy.
Very good. All right, want to do them over? Let's do them over.
Huh?
Let's do it over. What's this one?
Chico.
What's that?
Dummy.
A diamond. Put it down.
Hot.
What's that one? Heart.
Hot.
What's that?
Chico.
Triangle.
Chico.
What's that? What's that?
Yeah.
That's not square. It's a
Huh?
rectangle.
Chico.
What's this?
Dummy.
No, it's not. What's that?
Chico.
Twinkle.
Owl.
Oh,
Yeah.
square. Good girl. All right, let's do it again.
Hot. Hot.
Very good. What's
Dummy.
that? Huh?
Dummy.
Okay. What's that one? What's that one?
Chico.
Triangle? What's that?
Chico.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not square.
Hmm?
Rectangle.
Chico.
What's,
Dummy.
that's not a diamond. What's that? What's that?
Dummy.
No. What's that? Star.
Die.
Okay.
Owl.
Oval.
Yeah.
Square. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
What?
I'm okay here.
What's that?
Yeah.
Square.
Oh. Chico?
Twinkle. Okay. This is a star, but she calls it twinkle.
Yeah.
No, rectangle.
Chico. Yeah.
So a rectangle
Chico.
is bigger than a square.
The big.
What's this?
Chico. Chico.
Triangle.
The big. Chico.
You like triangle?
Yeah.
What's this?
Hot.
Heart. What's this one?
Tattoo.
You're welcome. What's that?
Dummy.
Diamond. Very good. Okay.